What's up, guys? You know who it is, you know what it is. It's Card Perfect, your boy. Now today we're going to be going into the first trick I ever learned, and in 3 subscribers as of the recording of this video, we'll be doing our gift card giveaway. So make sure to go and enter that right now by subscribing. And if you want to know all the full contest rules, I'll put the link to the giveaway video down in the description. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, as I said before, this is the first trick that I ever learned. Now, my dad showed this to me, and I'll be showing this to you, but I will not be coming out with the tutorial until next time. So make sure you stay tuned in for that already. So here's how it works. You let the spectator give this thing a nice little shuffle. It doesn't matter really what's up. They can shuffle it really as many times as they want to. Now, let's say we'll make this a competition between the spectator and you. So I've done this before. I've cut exactly to 13 cards. I want to see if the spectator can cut and leave exactly 13 cards right there, which is exactly 1/4 of the deck. Now, I've seen a range between 14 and 24, which is kind of pitiful. Actually, no, 4 and 24. So let's see how many the spectator got. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, it's not just because of the competition, it's also because I wanted to make sure it's completely random. There's no way I could have known you would have got 10. So I'm going to show you this top 10th card. I'm just going to show you that, not look at it, put it back down, and set it on top. Now, currently, it's pretty obvious where your card is, but we're going to cut this somewhere to the middle of the deck. Now, what we're going to do at this point is I'm going to find 3 cards I think could be yours. So we're going to pick, that one. We're going to pick that one. And we're going to pick that one. Alrighty, now I think one of those is yours. So now what we're going to do, I like food, hope you guys do too, especially bacon. So we're going to make ourselves a little sandwich. Yes, that was a joke, you're allowed to laugh. Yes, kind of cringy, but it was a good joke. So we're going to make this little card sandwich right here, separating each of the cards. There you go. There's your little card sandwich. Got your little BLT right there. So now what we're going to do is, I think if I can just hit this just like so, your card will begin to rise out, and that should be your card. So that is the trick. Your card should have been either the Jack of Spades or the 4 of Spades, or maybe the, what is this, 6? No, I'm totally kidding. I know this isn't your card. Your card is actually, if you do it one more time, that's when your card actually comes out, the 6 of Hearts. So I hope you guys like that trick, and I'll be showing you guys how to do this trick next time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Glad that I'm back, and once we hit 100 subscribers, which from the time I've been recording this, there's 3 subscribers we need left, I will be giving away the Target gift card. And then as soon as that's over, I'll be giving away something else. Haven't quite decided what to do. Might be doing a deck giveaway, might not. I haven't quite decided. Let me know down in the comments what you think I should give away. So, if you guys are excited for that, make sure to give me #excited down in the comments. And I'll see you guys on the next video. This is Card Perfect, signing off.